Finding yourself bored and numb? Well, no worries, cause now you can get the all-new ink pods!
All right, question number 2. Circle, is it true or false? The first thing I'm going to do is figure out h of 2. That means we're going to go up into here, and every x value we're going to replace with 2. So h of 2 equals 2 squared plus 1. So no longer am I writing x, I'm writing 2. I'm just going to go ahead and simplify this. So I get 4 plus 1. This gives me 5. H of 2 equals 5. This is my input, and this is my output. This is my answer. Now, what happens is now that green is 5. So now I need to find g of 5. This 5 here now becomes the input into function g. So g, now every x value I'm going to write 5. G of 5 equals 3 times 5, which means 15. G of 5 equals 15. Okay. So again, input, output. Now our new output is going to become now our input. So now I'm going to put that into f. So f of 15, and f is up here, 2x minus 1. So if you get stuck on that, you can just write it like that. 2 times 15 minus 1. 30 minus 1. I'm using PEMDAS to evaluate, so you get this as your answer. So the answer is 29. Do these match? Yes, they do. So that would be true. All right, let's go over 5b. The common mistake is this is not multiplication. This is saying f of 2. So I'm going to put in f of 2 here. 2 for every x value. That gives me 4 minus 5. Working up here. And this would give me negative 1. So when f of 2 is equal to negative 1. So this output, the answer, is now going to become my input for g. So I'm going to become g of negative 1. Which will be put into this thing now. And every x value will be negative 1. So that would be 3 times 1 plus 1, so that would just be 4. So my answer is positive 4, and you'll notice that these are not the same. So our answer is false. All right, question number 7 gives us 2 functions, f and g. Now it tells us to start here on g of 3. So if you need a hint, you can write g of x. So we're looking for where x is on the g side. So here it is. So g of 3, the answer is 7. Okay. Now I'm basically finding 7 is now my input for f. So f of 7. So now I'm going to go to f over here and look for where my x value, the input, is 7, and the output I want is 4. So my answer is 4. All right, question number 9 says perform the indicated operation. This is saying g of h. We always start here at h, and we're going to put in x into h. So this is really h of x. So if I put in h of x into this function, well, it's the same thing. Okay, so this is my output. This output now becomes the input for g of x. We're going to put that into g of x. So g of x is x to the third minus x. So this is going here for each of these yellow values. So now it's going to read 4x to the third power minus 4x. Remember, 4x to the third is 4x 3 times. So 16 times 4 gives us 64x to the third minus 4x. These are not like terms, so this is our answer.
So today we're gonna find g of fx. So we're gonna put g outside the parentheses, and we're gonna put fx because we're trying to find fx. We put x in parentheses and all of this in parentheses. So we know that g is 3x minus 4 parentheses fx, which is negative 4x minus 2.
And to find the number easy, I'm gonna put in box, which is gonna be 3x minus 4 and negative 4x minus 2. So negative 3x times negative 4x is gonna be 12x squared, negative 12x squared. Negative 4 times negative 4x is gonna be negative 16x. Or it's gonna be positive 16x. And 3x times negative 2 is gonna be negative 6x. And negative 4 times negative 2 is gonna be 8.
So inside the box is gonna be our answer. So negative 12x squared. And these are like terms. So it's gonna be positive 10x plus 8. And this is our answer.
Math is the best. Math is the best. Math is life. Mr. Ang, the best teacher in the West. We're so blessed to have Mr. Ang. Praise Jesus.